Hi, welcome to the 365 Data Scientist career track. Data scientist is the hottest profession in the world right now, and no wonder. The average salary in the US exceeds $120,000. Data scientists work with and leverage big data to create powerful predictive models and machine learning algorithms that are transforming the way businesses make decisions. Data scientists love the technical side of data, and they adore the story it has to tell. The way they present and elaborate on their findings makes them invaluable to companies' top-level management. There is no better time to learn data science skills than today. During the last few years, employers have started a bidding war to recruit data science talent. The demand for these professionals greatly outweighs the supply. This is why we created the Data Scientist Career Track, the only online teaching program you'll find that takes you from the very basics of mathematics and statistics all the way up to advanced statistics, machine learning, Python, Tableau. We've included everything you can imagine and more. With the power of animations, quiz questions, exercises, and a wide variety of bonus materials, this track will fulfill all your needs. We're confident this will be the best career decision you've ever made. Click Enroll now and begin your data scientist journey today.